Hey, what's up, team? Run It Up. Look, we're not gonna sit here all day. We're gonna actually go out and run it up. But I want to give you guys exactly what you clicked this video for right now. We ain't gonna even talk that much. I'm gonna show y'all right now how you save thousands in taxes, and then over years, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, so, and for anyone out here that does gig work, how much driving we do is crazy. So everyone always asks me, what about the miles on your car? What about the miles on your car? Well, check this out. If you're not doing gig work, or if you're not using your car for business, for your business as a private contractor, or if you have your own LLC, your own business, whatever, if you're not using your car that way, then you're just, the miles on your car that you put on your car are horrible. But for me, and for everyone else like me that's doing Instacart, that's doing DoorDash, that's doing all these gig jobs, Uber, everything else, our cars are making us dollars. Let's get it. Look at all these potential savings that I have. The app I use is called Miles IQ. If you guys want this app, I'll post a link below this video. Any one of you guys can go get this app, okay? So it's called Miles IQ. That's the one I use. It's very easy. You set up your email and it will literally send your monthly statements to your email. All right, so it's super easy. Check this out. Like, look, March, a potential $1,361 I drove in miles. Look, April, 1,700. Look at this. May, 1,500. June, look at that, 2,194. July, check this out. Look, 2,404. August, 2,186. September, 1,790. October, 1,839. And right now we're in November, and check this out, we're in November right now, and so far it's at 389. And look, in total 2021, and it starts from March. I didn't even start from January because I started using this app in March and I love it. But total from March 2021, look at this, $15,469 just from March. And these are potential tax dollars that you get to write off at the end of the year. Are the miles on your car saving you this much in taxes? Track your miles. This is just me tracking all my business miles. Make sure that you're tracking your business miles. What I showed you guys is my business miles. I also have personal miles. If you see right here, it shows my business versus personal. And because sometimes I forget to turn the app off, and you have to let the app know, like, okay, was this a business ride or was this a personal ride? So sometimes I say it was a personal ride, like when I'm leaving my house to go work, or when I'm coming back to my house after work, right? So those are personal rides, and everything in between. If I forget to turn off my app while I'm like going to the grocery store to get, my own personal food, or doing something personal for myself, and it tracks that, I mark it as personal. But for the most part, I like to only have it turned on when I'm actively doing Instacart or actively doing anything for my business. When you're trying to deduct business miles, be sure that the car you're using, the miles meter has to match what's going on here, because that's how you get audited. And I'm no tax, but look, I'm no tax professional. I'm no I'm not an accountant. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a tax professional. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, and I talk to my tax professional, and I just want to give you guys a heads up about this, okay? So make sure whatever car you're using to do Instacart or to do these delivery apps, whatever, this gig work, make sure that the miles on your car actually match what you're saying that you're writing off for business, because you don't want to get audited, okay? So, and what I like to do is I make sure, because I have business vehicles, hence why I have a company. My companies own my vehicles, and I only use my vehicles for when I'm actually doing work for my company. So, but for you guys that are using your personal vehicle for your business related stuff or your private contracting, you guys got to make sure you specify what's personal and what's business. So yeah, that being said, hope you guys give this video a like, and let's go run it up. All right, so we just took the first batch of the day at 8:57. Still late, still late. I am not setting a good example as far as first batches goes for these last couple videos. Yeah, you guys want to start earlier than that. I'm talking like 7 a.m. That's when you make the big money. 4+, even $500 days, as I've shown on this channel. It's still possible even at this hour, but you gotta get a little bit more lucky. All right, let's go crush this. It's 4 miles, 40 items. $40, 4 miles, 40 items. I'm in the zone today. We finished that batch in 18 minutes. 40 items, 4 miles. Yeah, we in the zone. Let's get it. We back at it. Quick delivery, quick shop. That was a lot of items, but I did it quick, really fast. So we going right back to the same location. Costco dropped already. Just like the 36, delivery only. I don't really want to do it, but I swiped it because my thumb has a problem. But I don't want to risk getting a bad rating from these shoppers, man. But we just gonna go for it. 36 delivery only is gonna put me at like $77 because my last batch went up $1 actually. So let's get these bags. And I probably gotta go get chicken. I hate when I gotta go get chicken. But the cool thing is we only got 17 minutes to the house. That's why people take these delivery only orders. Because you save so much time, but it's such a big risk. So just be careful when you take it. The only annoying thing that's gonna happen today, really, you know how everybody wants to go inside the store and grocery shop on the weekends? Yeah, that's gonna be the most annoying thing right there. But we're just gonna have to like dodge people in the grocery store, but run it up. My delivery only was 17 minutes, and that's like faster than the actual shopping. Like if you have to shop, you usually go around like 20 minutes or something. So the delivery is like faster than that. Bella's off with her batch, and she made me miss a 69. You made me miss a 69. Yo, Bella made me miss a 69, y'all.
I didn't make him miss it.
Oh, you didn't? 69, batch unavailable because of Bella. Bella made me miss my 69 by asking me to help her with her carts. So now we gotta play catch up. Light work. All right, so I don't know where we left off. The camera died. I didn't have the charger. It's 3 o'clock right now. I'm at 216. We're at Giants. We're at Giants because I just swiped at $34, 11 items. Easy. It's gonna put me at 250. All right, and the delivery is like a couple miles up the road. Easy order. Let's get it. Let's get this done and make that money. I hope y'all been running it up. Yo, if you're running it up, drop a like. Yo, you know how some stores just suck? Man, this was one of them. I'll never come back to this Giants again. This store sucks. They didn't have anything in inventory. I had to replace everything. But luckily for me, she wanted replacements, and the replacements were a little bit more expensive. So this might go up.